Hello student, welcome to BBPSC learning class, and we are discussing with the GK, that is the page number 52, that is heritage sites in India. UNESCO has recognized 38 heritage sites in India, and by reading the clues and unscramble the word to name them. First one is located in Patan, Gujarat. This site was included in the list of heritage sites in 2014. It is a step well built on the bank of the Saraswati River. It is a religious and functional structure designed as an inverted temple. It has been 7 levels of stairs and holds more than 500 principal structure, that is Rani Ki Vav. Next one is located in the state of Bihar. It comprises archaeological remains of an educational institution dating from the 3rd century BCE to the 13th century CE. It has shrines, stupas and viharas, and it is considered to be one of the ancient universities in the Indian subcontinent, that is Nalanda Mahavihara. Third one is located in the Rajasthan. This national park is known as migration of waterfowl in winters. These birds migrate here from China, Afghanistan, Siberia and Turkmenistan, and the Siberian crane has also been spotted here, that is Coladio ghana. Fourth one is located in the West Bengal at the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra river. It is the world's largest mangrove forest. It supports a large number of endangered animal species. It covers an area of 10,000 square kilometers. The forest area is shared by India and Bangladesh. This Sundarban. Fifth one is located parallel to the western coast of India. This mountain chain is older than Himalayas. It is one of the biodiversity hotspots of the world, and the mountain chain traverses the state of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, that is Western Ghat. Next page is page number 53, that is computer quiz. In computer technology, what does the AI stand for? That is the option B, artificial intelligence. Next question, what is the full form of 5G? That is the third option C, that is fifth generation. To which generation home computer does Apple to belong? That is the again C option is correct, fourth generation. Which one of the following is an example of fitness tracker? That is the option B, Misfit Ray. Fifth question, what is the full form of GUI? That is the correct option is A, graphical user interface. Sixth question, what is the basic unit for measurement of information in computer storage? Option C, byte. Seventh, who suggested the use of @ symbol while working the first email? Option B, Ray Tomlinson. Eighth question, which of these is not a Microsoft Office tool? Option B, Open Office. Ninth one, how many parts are usually there in URL? That is option B, 3. Who invented the binary code? That is option B, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. And that is question 11, which one of the following was the first general purpose electronic digital computer? That is ENIAC, option A. Sophia, the first human-like robot, was created and developed by the Harrison Robotics in Hong Kong in 2017. She was given citizenship by the Saudi Arabia. So that is about the page number 52 and 53. Fill in your book by seeing the options, correct option, and do it in your book. Okay, thank you students.